Are you a trader with skills but wondering where you can get capital to trade, right? Are you a trader that knows how to trade professionally but you don't have the right capital to trade with? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to trade using prop firms and how to approach it. That is the reason why prop firms are here for you, right? So first of all, what is a prop firm? You might be hearing about prop firm as a trader. You're asking yourself this question: what is a prop firm? What is prop firm in forex trading? You hear a lot of traders making a lot of money trading thousands of dollars that are not their money. You are basically not risking your own money, but you are risking somebody else's money, right? How do they go about it? Prop firm. Prop firms is very easy. Get funded, trade big capital, get profit split. That's a simple formula for prop firms, right? So we are going to be looking at prop firms as a whole and how to approach it. Many traders struggles with limited capital. A lot of traders have skills, but they don't have capital to trade with, right? Personally, for me, when I started trading as a beginner, I had the same challenge where I had difficulty getting the right capital to trade with. Remember, $100, $50 is not going to make you a living. It's not going to give you that forex trading lifestyle. You need capital. Trading is a money doubling skill, so you need money to make more money. Prop firm give traders the chance to trade large capital, right? So the prop firms are here to give you large amount of capital: $200,000, $100,000, $50,000, $10,000. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually go about that. Today, let's break down what a prop firm is and how it works, right? Definition of a prop firm. A prop firm, probably known as proprietary trading firm, right? A company that funds traders with its own capital. It means that they will call you up, you come for some prop firms. Some prop firms, you go and apply, right? You apply, they give you go through an interview, and if you're competent enough, they'll give you a trading account. Why? The most common method, right? The most common method is you go buy a prop firm challenge, you go to the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, right, then you are then given the live funded account. We're going to be looking at all of that in this video. So no need to risk your own capital, right? No need to risk your own capital, no need to risk your own money. You just basically have to go apply with prop firms, maybe use a very small amount to get a bigger account size, go through the challenges, and if you are a good trader, you pass the challenge and you definitely be funded. So how it works: apply for a challenge or an evaluation. First steps, right? You go to the prop firm. There are a lot of prop firms out there which I'll be recommending at the end of the video. Meanwhile, if you are looking for a recommended prop firm, you can just click the link down. Go down to a description. You're going to see a recommended prop firm there. You can click and create your trading account. So you go to that prop firm, you apply for a challenge, right? Once you apply for a challenge, you are probably going to pay fees, very small. For example, you can pay $100 to get a $10,000 challenge, right? Once you apply for the challenge, you get your account or logins, maybe MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or depending on the platform you choose. Prove your trading skills by following the risk rules, right? You prove your trading skills by following the risk rules. What are the risk rules? We have daily drawdowns, we have overall drawdowns, right? So every prop firm, majority of the prop firms have daily drawdown of 5%. You don't want to lose up to 5% of the account overall in a day. If you lose up to 5%, you blow the account. Then they have overall drawdown of 10%. So overall drawdown, you don't want to lose up to 10% of the account. If you lose up to 10% of the account, you have failed the challenge, right? But if you succeed to pass the challenge, passing the challenge is basically you trading using proper risk management and hitting the profit target. Profit target is mostly around, for phase 1, 10 to 8%. So some prop firms give you 8% as profit target for phase 1. Then some prop firms give you 5% as profit target for phase 2. Why? There are prop firms that will give you just one phase challenge. So immediately you make 10%, you are good to start trading a live funded account, right? So once you pass the challenge, you get to live trading. When you get to the live trading now, profit splits, right? So on the live trading, the prop firm might decide, okay, we are going to give you maybe 80%, or we are going to give you 70%, or we are going to give you 90% of your profit split. Meanwhile, the prop firm I recommend, which the link is down below, gives you up to 95% of the profit you make, meaning that they take just 5%. Benefit of trading with a prop firm: 1. Access to large capital. My first $10,000 withdrawal from trading was through a prop firm. Why? Because I had access to large capital, which was $100,000. I started with $10,000, made some little profit on $10,000, bought a $100,000. When I eventually passed the challenge and went to my first withdrawal, I made about slightly above 10% of the account, right? So my total withdrawal, my total profit that came in was about $10,000. That was my first biggest payout when it comes to Forex trading. So it gives you access to large capital. Only risk the firm's money, not your money. So you're basically risking the firm's money, not your money. That's one advantage. So with prop firms, you're not risking your money, you're risking the firm's money. Profit split up to 70 to 90%, right? So while you are risking the firm's money, right, does it give you highest amount of profit split? So that alone is another advantage. Lastly, builds discipline and consistency. Because of the daily drawdown rules, because of the strict risk management rules, right, because of the strict rules you have when it comes to maximum drawdown, overall drawdown, you tend to trade with proper risk management. That helps you build discipline and consistency. Normally, first rule of discipline, you're going to take only maximum 3 trades a day if you are risking 1% of your account per trade, because you have maximum 5% risk per day. So if you risk up to 5%, or you lose up to 5% of your trading account, you lose the challenge. And for you not to lose the challenge, you will definitely apply discipline, and that's how you become consistent. Now, when it comes to right, the challenges that you're going to have is the strict rules. Yes, if you're trading a normal account, you will not have a 5% maximum daily drawdown. But with prop firms, they have strict rules, daily limits, and overall drawdown. So you don't want to lose up to 5% in a day, right? Those are some of the challenges you can face. Like, okay, you cannot risk up to 5% in a day, and if you risk up to 10%, you lost your account. The next we have, you must follow the trading plan. You must follow a trading plan. You must follow a trading plan. It is a challenge, but I feel like it's a good challenge. You must follow your trading plan in order for you to keep up, right? No emotions. Discipline is key. You need to trade with proper trading plan without any emotions, because the moment you find yourself trading emotionally, you are definitely going to blow up the trading account. It takes you just one emotional trading day to blow up your trading account by hitting your daily drawdown. If you are emotional, you want to revenge your trading losses, you find yourself hitting a daily drawdown, and that's how you lost the challenge at that particular point. So no emotional trading, you trade with discipline. The next, if rules are broken, you lost the trading account. So the rules might be, okay, maybe don't hold trades over the weekend. Some prop firms have that particular rule. Another rule might be, do not trade during high probability news events, right? Do not trade during red flag news events. If you trade during that particular time, you broke the rules of the prop firm, you lost your account. Do not copy trade. There's some prop firms that they don't want you to copy trades from other people, right? The moment they realize you are copying other people's trade, you lose your account. So those are some of the disadvantages that you can get, or some of the challenges. Now, the next question you might be asking yourself, is it for you? Is prop firm trading for you, right? Ideal for traders with skills but low capital. So you must have the skills first. First thing first. No skill, you should not trade a prop firm. If you don't have a proper skill, then a prop firm is not for you. Not for gamblers or emotional traders. So if you're a gambler, you don't really know what you are doing, you get into the market, just play sales, then prop firm is not for you, right? If you are consistent, this can fast track your growth. If you are consistent, you have a proven trading strategy, you have a good trading plan, then this can elevate you. I am a living testimony to what a prop firm can do for you. Now I don't trade prop firms again because I've grown my own capital. The essence of prop firms is to make money from there and build your own trading capital, right? So that you can trade with some flexibility. There are some days where you can try to risk more of your account. Personally, I risk 5% of my account on a particular trade now, right? Because I have the capital, but I could not do that with prop firms, right? So if you are a consistent trader and you have a proven trading strategy, a good trading plan, then prop firms is for you. But if you're a gambler, you don't follow strict rules, then prop firms are not for you. Key takeaway, platform allows you to trade with big capital. So you trade big, you definitely make bigger profit. They push you to manage risk, right? So because of the daily drawdowns and those rules, you are forced to manage risks. Keep profits without risking large personal funds. You get to keep the highest amount of profit without even risking any huge amount of funds. So those are some very big advantage I personally think or recommend you trading with a prop firm if you can actually trade properly but cannot afford big capital. So in case you want to learn how to trade properly, you can always click the link down below. We have our mentorship course where we teach you how to trade properly. And of course, we cannot end the course without teaching you how to trade a prop firm, how to pass a prop firm, how to approach phase 1 of a prop firm, phase 2 of a prop firm, how to approach the funded stage, because all of these things matters. So if in case you're interested in actually learning these steps, learning how to trade as a whole, you can just click the link down below to join our Telegram community, or click the link down below to purchase our $100 course. And if you want to create your personal account, that's not a prop firm account, right? Because I mean, prop firms, you get to go through the route of passing the challenge. It might take you a month or two, right? So you want to create a trading account where you can fund immediately and start making profits and start withdrawing while you're struggling to pass your challenge. Then you can also check my recommended broker down below, XNet, the best brokers, the best of the best broker out there. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace and love.